Can construction dust clog my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system? Yes, construction dust can clog your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system if it gets pulled into the filter, coils, ducts, or blower parts. Construction dust is made of tiny bits of drywall, wood, concrete, insulation, and dirt, and those tiny bits are small enough to travel through air and stick inside your system. When your system runs, it pulls air from your home, and if dust is floating around from a remodel or nearby work, a lot of it can get sucked in too. The filter is the first thing to catch it, but if the filter gets too full, air cannot move well and the system has to work harder. Dust can also coat the evaporator coil, which is the part that helps cool the air, and that makes the system less able to do its job. It can even build up on the blower wheel, which is like a fan that pushes air through your home, and that can make the unit noisy or weak. One thing many people do not realize is that fine drywall dust can be almost like powder, so it slips into places that regular dust does not. A good habit during construction is to change filters more often. Close off vents in the work area, and run the system less if a lot of dust is in the air. A common mistake is thinking a filter alone will catch everything, but very fine dust can still get past a weak or dirty filter, so use a better filter and check it often. Another mistake is leaving the system running full blast during sanding or demolition, because that can pull dust deeper into the equipment, so turn it off in the work zone if you can. People also forget that dust can stay hidden in ducts and come back later every time the system turns on, so a post-project inspection is smart. If the air starts feeling weaker, smelling dusty, or making more noise, that is a clue the system may need cleaning. If you see dust piling up fast on vents or furniture, treat it as a warning sign, not just normal mess. After major work, ask for a professional cleaning if the buildup is heavy, because waiting too long can turn a small problem into an expensive repair. The key is to act early, before the dust reaches the parts that move air and cool your home. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.